Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another fascinating journey into the past. The British Empire was once the greatest empire to ever have existed. It was the largest empire in history, and for a century was the foremost global power. But the empire was now done. So join me on a trip down memory lane. Have an amazing time.
Frankly, I don't care where you've been, or whether I'll ever get there. Lately, I've heard all your news, and unfortunately, I just couldn't care. Well, you know, I'm a sucker for a tall tale, and all of you sure got me going. But at last, you've given your game away. Now your true colors are showing, and oh, what colors they are. Are you listening, or did you get bored? Are you too busy at your computer purchasing clothes you can't afford? So it's goodbye, Marie. It's goodbye from me. I wish you all the luck you're so sure you'll never need. It's goodbye, Marie. It's goodbye from me. Maybe one day we will meet again. You said it's all ours for the taking, but that's just a phrase that you heard, recycling your means of expression, just a clumsy collection of words. You came thundering onto the scene, looking for someone with whom to collide, but you never quite knew what you wanted, did you? Was it really so hard to decide? So it's goodbye, Marie. It's goodbye from me. I wish you all the luck you're so sure you'll never need. It's goodbye, Marie. It's goodbye from me. Maybe one day we will meet again. Now granted, you had your successes, and you sure played a mean saxophone. You can talk just like a statesman, but you're thinking like a stone. And you've so much to say about people these days, and all that is right and is wrong. When your high horse is tired, he's limping. Don't you see you've been up there too long? So it's goodbye, Marie. It's goodbye from me. I wish you all the luck you're so sure you'll never need. It's goodbye, Marie. It's goodbye from me. Maybe one day we will meet again.
parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Remember me to the one who lives there. She once was a true love of mine. Tell her to make me a cambric shirt, parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme, without any seams nor needlework. Then she'll be a true love of mine. Tell her to wash it in your underwear, parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Where no spring has sprang, no drop of rain fell, then she'll be a true love of mine. Tell her to find me an acre of land, parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme, between this old woods around the sea strand. Then she'll be a true love of mine.
And as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you had an incredibly great journey. If you have enjoyed today's video, please to subscribe, share with your friends. I appreciate that you take your time to come watch. I wish you a wonderful day, sending you peace and love.
Oh, do not tell the priest I pride, for he would call it a sin. For we've been up in the woods all night, conjuring submarine, and we bring you news from word of mouth, good news for cattle and corn. For now is the sun come up from the south by oak and ash and thorn. Sing oak and ash and thorn, good sir, all over midsummer's morn. England shall bide till judgment tide by oak and ash and thorn.